Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty at your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. And yeah, I know the setup looks a little bit different around here, but over the last, let's say 2 weeks or so, I've been upgrading my equipment. So first I started out with the microphone. So right here, I got the HyperX microphone, which definitely increases the sound quality of my videos. So I'm happy about that. So we shouldn't have any issues with sound quality or, things like that, not being able to be heard or low volume issues or anything like that. So we got to check on that right there. So we got the sound taken care of. And the next thing I did was, instead of using just the webcam on my laptop, I actually purchased a upgraded webcam. It's a Logitech webcam, and it's called the Logitech 922X Pro. And it's a cam that's actually under $100, and the presentation on this, it works awesome. So definitely an upgrade from the desktop webcam. So going forward, we should be able to produce higher quality videos. And this is all I really needed to get set up. I kind of rearranged things in my office setting so I can have better lighting and everything like that. In some of my earlier videos, I used to have a plant that sat behind me, and I refer to it as one of my best friends because it didn't talk back, it didn't say no. It was there, it rolled with me whenever I was to make a video, whatever I needed to do, the plant was there. So actually we got a little plant that's right there, little flower right there, and we ready to roll. So going forward, look forward to more content. We're gonna hit this affiliate marketing thing for beginners. We're gonna hit it real hard, and God, no pun intended, but this affiliate marketing thing, we're gonna go at everything from A to Z, and I'm gonna talk about a lot of the things that the so-called gurus out there that they don't touch on. Now, a lot of people will make it seem like affiliate marketing is as simple as 1, 2, 3 steps. If you click here, click there, or click there, you're gonna start making money. But that's not the case. Affiliate marketing is something that you really have to work at. It's a business, and you can't treat it like it's a game. You can't just treat it like it's some type of gambling type of thing, or if it's some type of, get rich quick scheme type of situation, because it's not. And if you go in it with that mindset, you're going to fail. You're not only going to fail, but you're going to end up wasting and losing a lot of money. And what I want to prevent is that from happening to you.
I'm always right. It's like when I'm right, I'm right. And when I'm wrong, I could have been right. So I'm still right because I could have been wrong.
That makes sense.
Now, over the last 10 years, I've taken numerous training courses. A lot of those were free training courses until I started to realize that a lot of the free training courses, and just to be 100% honest, the majority of the free training courses do not give you everything that you need to become successful. What they usually do is they give you just a little bit of like a carrot. It dangles a carrot in front of you and entices you. And then if you really want to know how to dig deeper and really know how to make money, you would often get taken to a place where you had to sign up for an expensive course or training. But if you follow me on this channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the least expensive ways to start making money with affiliate marketing from home. Now, I'm not going to tell you that it's going to be absolutely free, because honestly, the mistake that I made in the beginning was thinking that I could just make money and I wasn't going to have to invest anything. Now, I want you guys to think about it like this. Whenever you're trying to grow a garden, grow a harvest, or do anything where you're looking to reap the benefits, the rewards of your hard work, you have to know, you have to understand that you have to make some type of investment. So even if you're a gardener, you have to invest in the seed to go into the ground and you have to do the work. You have to water that seed on a daily basis, and you have to tend to your garden until that harvest is ready to be reaped. But along the way, you're gonna have to make some investments. So I want you guys to get that into your head and understand. Now, like I said, I'm gonna give you guys some of the least expensive ways to start affiliate marketing. And a lot of these ways will be absolutely free to start. But of course, in order to become successful, you have to invest in tools. And some of these tools, you know, on the free version, they'll give you certain access. And if you upgrade, they'll give you more access. So of course, the more you invest, the more you'll get back as a return on your investment. So with that, I look forward to making more content for you guys. I'm really excited for what's going to happen in the next coming months. We're going to really deep dive into this affiliate marketing game. So what I want you guys to do, I want you to get prepared. I want you to subscribe, like, and share the content. Make sure that you come with an open mind, ready to learn, and more so, ready to implement the things that's going to be taught. Now, once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home, and you can also. Have a great rest of your day.